Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. SLV is looking like it's testing, and I'm looking to see what I can do here. And it crashed and I joined the crash. I'm looking for it to reach the half number, just above it. It's not a long stop, I already moved it a bit down. Now I'm looking to see, and I'm already out. That's depressing. Okay, so I might made a mistake here, and I'm going to switch it, and I join the long position. And if that one is failing, and I'm looking to see something over the 25, if that one is failing, I'm kind of leaving the stock completely and saying, okay, I made a mistake, I don't need to be there. Right now it's not moving as I want to. Okay, so I moved it higher, not a lot, but enough to cut my losses dramatically. By the way, the first trade was with half a risk level because I wasn't completely sure about it. Now I'm looking at this one, it's a full risk level, and I don't want to lose too much here if I need to lose. And I want to see it's running, but it's not moving. So I'm not going to let it kind of test again, and just a few cents. That's what I'm allowing here, just a few cents. So if it can't run now, I will kind of leave it. Okay, that's good. Can you break the 25? Can you? And no, it's crashing instead, and I'm out. Okay, so I couldn't make money here. I lost 14 bucks. Nothing I really could have done here. And you can see the short was too early, the long was inappropriate, and nothing I could have done with SLV. Okay, so I looked for more trades. I'm starting with 14 bucks loss. Not nice, but part of the game, I'm guessing. And now what I see is WKHS. And look at that, it's building up. And that's a jump. That's nice. And I want to join just because the first candle was so going down. And I joined the upper position. I love when it's kinda rebouncing completely. It's always a good sign in my eyes. And again, what I'm looking for is basically how can I move my stop to the entrance, which I just did. That's it. Okay, so no risk here, and I got partial 1 already. That's amazing. Okay. And can you continue? Can you give me partial 2 as well? I already set up partial 3 just to make sure. Because I'm kind of going to search for other stocks to see if I can find something. And I couldn't, and I'm out. And that's about all. That was a fix and fast movement. But I got 50 bucks profit, so it's nice. And I pretty much took what I could with a long position, so that's amazing. Okay, and the last trade for today. I think 4 is more than enough, right? Okay, now I'm trying not to lose money today anymore. Already lost a big bunch. And I'm looking at SOS, and I think it's going to crash. It's going to crash hard. And mistake, didn't want to put my stop there. I think it's going to crash, and I'm looking at 10 cent stop. 10 cent stop, and I mean, okay, so I want the 6 to be like partial 1. It's going to be a nice one if I can get it. Again, kind of looking at how to move my my stop. And it's crashed nicely, and I took partial 1. Amazing. Okay, so 2 partials 1 today. Amazing. Whoa, that was a huge crash. And my stop is in the money. Deep in the money, by the way. Not deep, but in the money, making sure that I'm not going to lose there. Look at that, it's continuing crashing. That's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Now, it's not a lot of crash, but because my stop was 10 cents, look at that. It already reached 580, meaning 25 cents. Now, I might be a bit greedy here and asking for more, I don't know, but I don't have risk here, so I'll do whatever I can to make more money here, if I can. And I set a partial 3 as well. You know, it's look far away, my partial 3, so I'm not really expected to happen. But still, I'm kind of fixed here. And it's already, I got partial 2. Whoa, 184. Not guaranteed, but that's a huge number. Especially when you're making $60 risk. Okay, so my stop is in the 6, pretty much partial 1. Which partial 1 was 1 to 1.5. Look at that, that's amazing. I don't know how much it can continue. We didn't expect that kind of crash. And it might start a reversal. Now the view up is about 592. I did put my stop just over the 6. But look at that, it's continuing, it doesn't stop for a second. And each candle is starting to be bigger with the 5 minutes. Okay, it's kinda stopping. And what's now? You're going to jump back, or you're going to stop, you're going to crash. 202. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that, it crashed again. And I got partial 3. Okay, now I really don't know what to do anymore, because right now I'm deep in the money. I got partial 3. Basically, it's just seeing what the stock can do. I'm going to change the command to be trailing, and I think 15 cents is more than enough for me. And to tell the truth, it's already huge win, so everything else is a bonus. And there is no reason for that crash to happen, especially when you're seeing the full day. It will kinda rebounce and test it. I don't know how much, I don't know if it's going to go back all the way, but I'm not testing it. Look at the 5 minutes candle, the full reversal candle. Okay, so it can continue up, it can kinda fool everybody and take the money, but I'm in the money, I don't see a reason to risk more. And it's going down again. Come on. I'm not. Right now it's autopilot for me. I'm not doing anything. 15 cents. If it can get a new lower, it will go with it. If not, it will not. 250. It's amazing results. And that's the last day of the trading month. This one guarantee a huge month for me. Now, I didn't expect to be in this position 2 days ago when I lost 2 risk levels. And it's going down. It's amazing. Can you continue creating new low? But I'm just doing the same thing over and over and over again. And sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. But again, starting the day with 2 losses that cost me $14. The third trade was $50 profit, meaning I was already green, and this one out of the chart. It's like going crazy. I don't know. I don't think it's continue much lower. Yeah, and I'm out. That was the best trade of the month. I finished it $173 profit for this trade alone. Look at that. That was a perfect. After that, it's recovered, and later it crashed, but it doesn't really matter. And that's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.